This is the Insta360 X4 Air. And yeah, it comes in white. It's fun, fresh, and always ready to play.
Hey, X5.
It kicks X5 to the curb on price. It's light, like lighter than an apple.
Wow.
Lighter than that weight you've been carrying on your shoulders for years. So light a kid could hold it, and somehow make better content than you. Damn, what a view. Shame we lost our director on the way up. But then again, who needs one when you can shoot everything yourself in 8K 360? Capture the angle, the details, the holy sh**. Never worry about where your camera's pointing ever again. Just live in the moment and frame it later. See that invisible selfie stick? Well, now you don't. That's why it's perfect for any occasion. Like spending time with your furry four-legged friend. Complete your vlogging setup with the tiny Mic Air for super clean audio.
大家好，我是子宁，欢迎大家来到香港。今天天气真的特别。
Looking a little glum? Brighten things up with portrait mode. Yeah, long story short, she had fun. Adaptive Tone auto-enhances exposure and color on reframe. Or something like that. Step up your socials and adjust the ratio for any platform. Flexible and spontaneous. Everything my ex says I'm not. Or skip that and just point and shoot. Single lens mode gives you 4K 60, meaning you can do this. Or this. Conquer any trail with our insane stabilization. Let loose and go full throttle. Because we have replacement lenses. Just swap them out and get back to the fun. We had some selling points here, but the marketing team changed their minds last minute. So instead, just enjoy these cool shots. X4 Air is waterproof up to 49 feet, meaning it's perfect for making a big splash. It can even withstand temperatures colder than your ex's heart.
La madre!
Horizon locked? More like Horizon locked in. And our app is so easy to use with features like AI editing, just one tap and you're on your way. Unlike, well, you know which one. And with all these goodies, you can shoot however you want. Snap it, twist it, pull it. Let your creativity go wild. Roll those credits. Guys, credits? Wait, I'm not getting credited for this? Guys, what the f...